Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and it's been a while since I did a Fritz the Frog video. But here he is. He waited in line the day after Halloween. I put on his little turkey Thanksgiving vest and thought, what could he do this month? Excuse me. So we dressed up this beautiful Barbie, and they're going to go to Thanksgiving dinner together. Fritz is wearing a reversible vest that I made him, Halloween, and then you just flip it around for Thanksgiving. So there's Fritz and his latest lady. He's kind of a flirt. You'll see him with my Blythes and my BJDs, my 1/3 dolls is what I'm trying to spit out. So there they are, ready for Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. Thank you for loving Fritz the Frog. He is so cool. Darren printed him. He is absolutely articulated everywhere, right down to his fingers. Please leave a like, a comment. Have a very happy Thanksgiving. And please subscribe.
He is quite the ladies' frog.
He is a great...